Hi guys, just thought I'd post up a quick video. This is my Ducati multistrada 1200 DVT model. Just thought I'd post up a quick video. As I said, I've just bought an Arrow Works can with the decat pipe. Fitted it yesterday. Quite an easy fitting job, not really a problem. The only thing I'll say is the throttle valve cable, when you disconnect it and you fit the new decat pipe, it does give you a cable tie in the kit to cable tie it to the foot peg. Make sure you keep the throttle cable tight and straight. They do give you a roll pin as well in the kit to put on the end of the cable, which keeps the cable tension tight, which apparently stops the engine management light coming on. I did ride it yesterday with the baffle in. Everything's fine, doesn't to me seem as if it needs a map or anything different. I did take the baffle out today, and to be honest, it's ridiculously loud, offensively loud. It's just crazy. But unfortunately, when I turned the bike on after I took the baffle out, the engine management light came on. So I've put the baffle back in. I'm going to take it for a spin tomorrow. Hopefully the light goes back out. So we'll see how we go. I'll just start it up now. Not very good sound will come through this iPhone speaker obviously, but we'll give it a go. Anyway, hope you got something from this video. All the best. Cheers now.